Hello friends, let's solve this question now. The question is 2 raised to the power 22 multiplied with 3 to the power 33. You can break up the power 22 into 2 multiplied by 11 multiply, and the power of 3, that is 33, can be broken up into 3 multiplied by 11. According to the rule, a to the power m dot n can be written as a to the power m bracket n. So applying this rule, you can write it as 2 raised to the power 2 bracket 11 cross 3 raised to the power 3 bracket 11. Further, as you know that a raised to the power m dot b raised to the power m is similar to a dot b raised to the power m. So you can write it like 2 raised to the power 2 cross 3 raised to the power 3 power 11, right? So when you multiply these two identities, you will get 427 and your answer is 108 to the power 11. And here you are done. Thanks for watching.